Welcome to the video. Give us pushes, nudges, and such more, because as we speak, the new ISO is uploading already, the one from today. And the push we needed is information, right? Not always is information available. So this will be the new one in a few, well, let's say an hour from now. This is Belgian time. You'll have it for sure. And what was the nudge, right? We told you some information about GRUB, which means this is information for the older machines. Anybody who is running Kiro, just keep running, right? But if you install, well, take the one from today, and it matters only if you want encrypted and if you have an old computer. That's it. That's the difference, except maybe one thing: LastPass is omitted from the ISO from today. Being Kiro, that was a personal ISO, it's now a community ISO, so I'll install LastPass later. It's just basically a tool to set the 1,000 logins and passwords that I have on all the websites, right? They're all different, so he keeps track of all those passwords. There are more tools around, Bitwarden and so on, so you have a look what you like. It's interesting to share data amongst family members. That's one of the things I do, and it's working on Android, it's working on Apple, it's working on Windows. So that's also something important for me. I take it with me wherever I go. All the passwords are available, right? But it's off the ISO. So moving in the direction of a community distro for sure. So only necessary, right? If you want an encrypted. Nothing changed, the view is still the same, right? Simple installation, not technical. A few of these buttons, everybody has seen them. If you've installed a few distributions, it's all the same, right? But we have something special for the guys who are more expert or, like I said, want to encrypt. We created a tool called the Calamares Tweak Tool, right? So that becomes a little bit more complex. Choices that you can do are, what will I choose as a default file system type, right? But here is the change. If you have an old machine, it used to say LUKS2 and that's it. We've tested it now and it's working. A little bit of extra programming in Calamares and voila. LUKS2, GRUB, old computers, is available. Encryption on. Don't forget to tick encrypt system. I have forgotten it today again. I'll show you the tick there. Apply, right? Saved GRUB X4 encryption on LUKS2. Done. This changes a little bit the parameters of Calamares. So when we click, he's reading new parameters. And then we go to this default thing. So again, everything becomes very normal, but this little thing I always forget, right? And then I have an unencrypted system. And I forgot it again. Encrypt system, just a click away, and then it waits for your password. All right, next. Nope, not gonna work. Shift tab is an interesting tip. Tab, tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab, shift tab. Right? Tab, tab, tab. Aywa. Next, install, done. That's basically the message of the video here. Right? So I'll just wait for the system to restart and show you what we get then. All right? Pausing. We're finished. All done. That was quick, right? The magic of pausing. And then you get this, right? Beside the VirtualBox thing, you don't see that normally, right? Just you type your very complex password, which is, mine is super complex. 4 letters, guess which? Put it underneath the video. I bet you don't know it. Just 4. Oops. I don't know it. Ah, capital letters. Caps lock. Let's try this again. With my big fingers. Just very cautious. Ah, fun. Boom. And off we go. You've got yourself a GRUB system, LUKS2 and encrypted from now on, which means version 26.06.05. That's the number. Maybe to repeat again in another video, never ever ever use Wayland. Choose this one or this one, but I prefer you use this one, right? I am a promoter of tiling window managers. If it's not this one, well, no problem. Just use whatever you like, but learn how to tile window managers. Learn how to use tiling window managers. All right. Cheers.